I'd like to follow up on the issue of collaboration with you, Dr. Mossman, and potentially with you, Mr. Taylor. Um, I was most interested in hearing what you had to say. Dr. Niemer told us that in her view or to her knowledge, there were some 200 vaccines under potential development in Canada. So the task force had a mammoth task, presumably to filter through all these and look at clinical data and so on. Um, would you not see collaboration between proponents, academia, manufacturing facilities as a way forward? And could you elaborate on how that might be operationalized?
Absolutely, and this is thank you for that question. This is exactly what we are proposing with the Canada's Global Nexus, is to bring together not just academics, but industry, public health, government organizations to do exactly that, so that we are working and leveraging all of the knowledge and infrastructure in a really systematic and collaborative way. So that is exactly what Canada's Global Nexus is all about.
Mr. Taylor, would you like to comment since you are so enthusiastic?
Thank you very much. Yes, I would like to comment, and I think the questions around Canadian scientific abilities are not correct. For some examples, for example, the leading antibody therapeutic was developed here in Canada. The leading technologies for the delivery of the RNA vaccines were developed here in Canada. So, Canada has tremendous scientific abilities, and I think as we this panel is very helpful for understanding what could have done better or what happened. But I think also we should be looking at what unique opportunities have arisen out of this crisis. And in times of crisis, interesting things happen, and we've seen technologies like the ones that we're involved in, and others in Canada, and other good companies and institutions and academics around, say, RNA vaccines or other vaccine technologies. And we should be thinking hard about how do we capitalize on this opportunity in addition to trying to get through the current major challenge we have and really building the Canada we want for the future.